Hello, beautiful souls. Today I'm going to talk about something very important, which is featured focus skin prep. Like how to prepare your lips, eyes, and skin before makeup. And how you're going to do that, let's talk about that in the video. So let's dive into this. First up, let's talk about lips. To get that smooth, long-lasting lipstick look, the first step is exfoliation. We all know that exfoliation is crucial for our skin and lips. So you can also use a store-bought lip scrub, or I recommend you to use sugar and honey scrub. It will give you that plumpy and pink lips, and it is also useful for those who have dark lips because that's very effective, and trust me, I also use it. It's very amazing. Exfoliating removes dead skin, which is one of the main reasons your lipstick might crack or wear off unevenly. Now, after you have done exfoliation and everything, hydration is the key. Lip balm or lip primer. Don't apply lipstick right away and wait for a minute to let it set and then apply your lipstick. Now, let's move on to those tired, puffy eyes. And I know we all wake up with a bit of puffiness on our face, and that irritates me the most. So one of my go-to tips that helps me every time is cooling under eye patches. They are great for depuffing and hydrating at the same time. So you can also use metal spoons or ice cubes. Another game changer is an eye cream with ingredients like caffeine and peptides. These two ingredients are very much important for depuffing your eyes. Under eyes, caffeine helps reduce puffiness, while peptides work on brightening and firming the delicate skin under your eyes. Finally, the most visible, the most important part is your skin. The key here is exfoliation again. Like your lips and skin, you have to exfoliate your skin whether you use a gentle chemical exfoliant or a scrub. This step helps to remove textured, dry patches, dead skin that make the foundation look cakey or uneven. After exfoliating, hydration is crucial. Use a lightweight serum or moisturizer. I would recommend you to use hyaluronic acid or niacinamide for that plumpy, hydrated, and smooth skin. And don't forget the primer. This will fill in pores and help your foundation looks like apply like butter. You know, with such simple changes or additions in your skincare prep, you'll notice a huge difference in your makeup. If you find these tips helpful, like, share, and subscribe, and comment below any suggestion or question that you have for others, and any great tips that you have for clear skin, good lips, or eyes. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.